Karan. Branch clamps. Branch clamps can be used as a proper replacement for cast iron and polyethylene three-ways. First, we open the bolts and separate the clamp jaws and then mount the clamp on the pipe as we did before. Then we turn the clamp by 90 degrees and put the flange on the piping path. Now we need to tighten clamp screws crosswise using a 110 Nm torque. Next, we open the slide valve all the way, lead the branch clamp towards the pipe and cut it after the drill hits the pipe. Once the pipe is punctured, water will be trapped in the working space. Now, we pull back the shaft and close the valve in a way that water is no longer in touch with the branch closure system. The branch closure is removed from the pipe once the water is dispensed. The part that is cut comes out with the branch closure drill. The job is done and the new branch comes online with a low cost and a small amount of water gone to waste. Materials used in the branch clamp. Body made of grade 304 stainless steel. Rubbers made of grade A NBR with a density degree of 60. Steel reinforced rubbers made by simultaneous cooking of steel and rubber. Screws are made of grade 304 PTFE coated stainless steel. Dust and corrosion resistant technical details tag. Washers and bolts are made of stainless steel and are covered with PTFE coating. Stainless steel flanges produced using the forging method. The connection between the pipe and the clamp, which is done through cold pulling. The welding, which is carried out through TIG method, using argon shielding gas. The branch size of the branch closure clamps is produced in the two classes of TSC Bouchon with a minimum size of ½ an inch to the maximum size of 4 inches and TTC flange with a minimum size of 2 inches to a maximum size of 24 inches. This product comes in different sizes, ranging from a minimum size of 60 mm to a maximum size of 2000 mm. The branch closure clamp comes in single jaw, twin jaw and triple jaw models. The number of jaws on the size of clamps. The branch clamp's length varies based on the size of the branch as well as working pressure of the clamp, with a minimum of 200 mm and a maximum of 2000 mm. Pipes that can be used in clamps. Asbestos pipes. Steel pipes. Cast iron pipes. PVC pipes. UPVC pipes. Polyethylene pipes. You can see Karan's product catalogue for more details on these tubes. Karan Company. Designing and producing all types of repairing and closure clamps in the water, oil and petrochemical industries.